Hey YouTube, you got another thing going on here. You know how you got vinyl fence? Sorry, I have Dachshunds in the backyard. You know you got vinyl fence? Hush. Vinyl fence, right? This. Alright, I got hard water stains, the rust off my sprinkler system. Okay? See if it does it over here. I'm spraying it on there. Watch it. We'll go to the thick one. See that right there? Can you see that? Look at that right there. Look. All that money you've been paying, people's been paying. You get this crap off the fence. And this, just use this. Got it at Walmart for like, I think $4. We're going to some more thicker one down here. My fence needs to be pressure washed, but still. Hold on. It even gets off the brick. Don't look at my yard, nasty yard. I got a blueberry tree. I had to just cut all the stuff from around it. All right, look at this over here. See how thick that is right there? All right. Watch this. Ready? I'm spreading on it. See it right there? I always like to give people hints when I figure something out because, man, it helps a lot. And you ain't got to pay nobody a bunch of money. You know, you get this crap off your fence. Don't let them rip you off. You don't need to. All right, look at that. Look at this. Oh, watch this. All right, see if it'll go away. All right, look at that fence already. Usually, I put it in there. I took the lid. Took this lid off right here, and I only used one bottle. And I sprayed it on with a spray bottle, and it did so much better, an even job. But do you see that right there? Hard water stains. Let's see. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to touch it with my hand or nothing. But it kind of just eats it right off. This is in where not the shampoo, where you get the sanitizer wipes and fabric softener and the laundry detergent at. This is Rust Stain Remover. It works real good, y'all. And you can even get $2 off. Buy two and melon rebate. Anyways, yeah, try it, y'all. It works good. You ain't got to spend a lot of money cleaning your vinyl fence. There's a lot of nice houses in this neighborhood I live in with vinyl fence that are nasty. Look at this where I just sprayed this at. Look at this. See how it is there? Look right here. It's wet. It's been raining out here too, okay? So, but look at that. It's gone. And I ain't used a pressure washer. I ain't used nothing. So don't let all these guys come around going, hey man, I can get your fence cleaned for you for $150, $200 when they're going to the store and buying this chemical in gallons or so and spraying it on your fence when you're not there and washing it off. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you got mildew now, that's a different thing. We're going to try it on mildew, just see what this is. Probably won't do nothing on mildew. Oh, shut up, babies. Let's try the mildew. Probably won't do nothing on mildew because it's not a bleach. Yeah, it's not going to do nothing on mildew. It needs to be pressure washed. That doesn't need to be pressure washed there. This fence is 2 years old. It's been here about 2 years. But yeah, look at that down there. You can see the corners a lot cleaner now. All right, guys. Wish I had somewhere else I could show you on brick, but I don't. Not here in the backyard. But you can even spray it on your brick. And it gets it right off. It's retarded. It just, I don't understand it. I can't believe I'm glad I found it. We have had this problem on this fence for a while now. All right, let's go back over here 1 second where we just sprayed some of that chemical first time. All right. Look at this right here. See that how it's clean now? I'm going to take my pump up sprayer and spray the rest of it with some more chemical. All right. Yeah, look at this. Redneck. I got a maybe projector screen. PVC pipe and a big drop cloth. All right, guys. Have a great night. Try it. It works. Peace.